Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA 2.4 and let me share with you how to turn on or off the watermark and how to customize it. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and now we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner. Let's take a look at the photo section, and at the very bottom of it we've got the watermark option. Of course we can tap on the switcher to turn it on, but let's tap actually on the watermark in order to customize it. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the photos you will take after setting the watermark, and here you've got 2 different options. You can set device information just by tapping on the switcher, and the watermark will just look like the name of your device, so it will be NOKIA 2.4. But if you will choose the personal message, you will be able to customize it. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, you can enter actually whatever you want. So I will enter HardReset.Info. But of course you can use, for example, your name, your surname, actually whatever you want. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, and here we've got some font styles from which we can choose. So just pick the one you like the most and it will be set. Under it we've got also cool option personalized image, so it means that if you have done the watermark, for example, in some kind of graphical programs like Photoshop, then you will be able to import it to your device and use it as a watermark. After tapping on it, you can check the conditions, so it means that you will have to use the proper format with transparent background and the best resolution. So I will not import anything. So actually, okay, this is the whole customization of the watermark. So right now we can go back. Let's check, it is turned on, so it means that it will be applied to our photos. So let's take a photo and check it. Now we can tap on the preview. Let's wait a second, and as you can see here, we've got our watermark which we just set. So actually that's all. This is how to set the watermark in your NOKIA 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.